To add and activate going to work routine in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine, tap routine. While you are in the routine screen, tap compass like icon at the top right of the screen to see the list of the stock routine available. Tap useful on the go and then select going to work. Next, tap time period. In the time period section, select time. Under time section, tap start time and then set the time you want this routine to be automatically on. As the example, we will set it to 30 past 8 a.m. Next, tap end time and then set the time you want this routine to be automatically off. As the example, we will set it to 9 a.m. Scroll down the screen. Under repeat section, select the days you like this routine to be applied. As the example, we'll set it from Monday to Friday. Next, tap done button and then tap save button to add the selected routine to your routine list. By doing this, from now, this routine will be enabled automatically from 30 past 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. from Monday to Friday. When this routine is active, your phone will automatically adjust the screen brightness level to 60% and change lock screen shortcut to the selected apps. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.